Mr. Muppet Fan Animations presents. Dora fails to ruin my birthday cake with her sledgehammer / grounded.
Man, today is Mr. Muppet Fan's 20th birthday, but I hate him so much. Why? Because he makes grounded videos out of me. What should I do? Wait a minute. That gives me an idea. I am going to ruin his birthday cake with my sledgehammer. Ha 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 ha.
At my house.
Oh look, it's Mr. Muppet Fan's birthday cake, and now it's time to ruin it with my sledgehammer.
Hey, Dora. What are you doing here? Are you trying to ruin my birthday cake with your sledgehammer? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes, I was trying to ruin your birthday cake with my sledgehammer because you make grounded videos out of me.
Oh my God. Dora. How dare you try to ruin my birthday cake with your sledgehammer? You know that you're not allowed to do that at all. That's it. Go home right now while I call your parents about this.
No.
When Dora got home.
Dora, how dare you try to ruin Mr. Muppet Fan's birthday cake with your sledgehammer? You're not allowed to do that at all.
I agree with your mother, but you are very lucky that Mr. Muppet Fan has stopped you from trying to ruin his birthday cake with your sledgehammer.
And because of this, you are grounded for the next 5 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Man, it's not fair.